On the homepage of your business website, you want a picture of you, the inspector, not some fancy house. So you want to get a hero image and upload it to your homepage of your website. What's a hero image? Well, you've got to get a friend to help you take a picture of you as the hero, the inspector, and put it on the website, right? So a hero image is something like, make sure that the phone is this way and take a picture of you, waist up, smile, look at the camera and say cheers. And that's your hero image, like this. Cheers. Cheers. Or what's on your homepage? On the homepage of your home inspection business website, you want a picture of you, and we call that the hero image. Don't put a picture of a fancy house on your homepage. Show what your clients are going to hire. That's you. So you want a hero image on your homepage. How do you take that? Well, you get a friend to help you. She's going to hold the camera the right way, horizontally, and take a picture of you from the waist up. And you look at her camera and smile, and that'll be the hero image. So it's going to look like this. Right? 3, 2, 1, smile. 3, 2, 1, smile. Maybe no hat. And that's your hero image. What's on your homepage?